Hello everyone, Josette here for Elizabeth Craft Designs. For anyone new here, I'm the designer of the Cute and Whimsical collection for Elizabeth Craft Designs, and in this video I am really excited to introduce you my new release, Destination Fun. So it's a small release, but love how it turned out, and yeah, I can't wait to show you. So let me turn the camera around and I will show you the products. So the Destination Fun release includes 2 die sets and a stamp set, and the first die set you can already see here. It is the 2354 Camera and Suitcase Build-A-Book. So after I designed the Doghouse Build-A-Book in my previous release, I decided to make another Build-A-Book die because the Doghouse was very popular. People loved decorating the pages, making a nice album. So I thought I'm gonna design another one. And here you can see all the dies in the set. It is quite a large die. Here a few more. And the die set includes 2 basic pages to make either the camera or the suitcase. The suitcase you can make with just this rectangle base page, and then it has the handle and the strap and all the accessories for the suitcase. And this die you would also use to cut like basic plain rectangle pages that would fit the camera or the suitcase Build-A-Book. So that is a great set here. I'm gonna put this aside. The second die set is the, that's not this one. The second die set is the 2355 Aloha accessories. And this die set is designed to coordinate with the 2204 Little Mouse set. Let me just show that one again. This is the die set, the Little Mouse. So you'll need this to use this accessory set. So some of the accessories can be used with the bigger mouse or the dog or any of the critters, but the clothing is specifically designed for the little mouse. So many fun accessories in this set, as you can see here: the lounge chair, the drum, the crab with the shelves, some beautiful leaves, the drink, the guitar, a really fun set. And here you can see all the die pieces. And then the last product that we have in this release is the stamp set. It's the CS451. So a lot of fun sentiments to combine with the Build-A-Book and with the accessories. It's got Aloha, Seize the Day, Destination Fun, Smile, Best Day Ever, Travel, Special Moments, Trip of a Lifetime, Just Relax, Vacation, Capture the Good Times, Say Cheese, Click, Never Lose Focus, Sunshine and Smiles. So really fun. And I will quickly show some samples that I have here. We will show you in the next slides some beautiful samples that our design team made, but I don't have those here, so we will show it in the video. But this is a suitcase Build-A-Book that I made. My pages are still blank. I still need to decorate it, but I will definitely do that. I just wanted to show you the suitcase here. And this is the camera kit, and I used some ribbon here. Again, I need to decorate this, but just to give you an idea about size, the width of this camera and the suitcase is 6/7/8, and then the height of the camera here is 4/7/8, and the same for the suitcase, 4/7/8 the height as well. And then the pages are 4¼ height by, if we measure this part, it is 6¼ and it does fit a regular like a regular picture here of 5 3/4 by 4 inches. So yeah, you can use that, use pictures or little Polaroids, or just decorate each page beautifully with all the accessories. I do actually have one sample here from Anita Isendor. She made the camera, she actually cut a hole in the front. That's also super fun to do, because then she has that cute little mouse poking out, and she used all the beautiful accessories here. So I love this one. And then I have another sample of her here. She used the dog, and then she has a page here where she also used the dog. So really fun. But now we will show you some more samples from our design team members. So those were some beautiful samples made by our design team. We really have a fantastic team. They're so talented, and I am super excited about this release. I hope you are too. Keep an eye out for some Facebook Lives with this collection on our YouTube channel or Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Bye.